try explain. Tell me no why you're none fear stress my brain. Me hex them vex them still a text and still a try fi explain. See me pon the right gal, better take the left lane. Hex a try hex.
Welcome everybody. This is your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've able to speak to you guys. Um, and it's not because I leave of absence, if you want to say that, but um, it's been difficult for me for the past 2, 3 months. So I'm going to express myself to you guys as much as possible so I can um, tell you what I've been through and explain to you what I've been through for the past 2 months leading up to this day and leading up to this event of me expressing myself. And hopefully this can be a better avenue for me to explain myself to you guys and what I've done and what I've been through, what I'm going through right now. As you guys know, I left to go to Texas about 2, 3 months ago. About 3 months ago, September. Um, I was going for training in Texas for a while, and I started training. After about a month and a half in training, I got hurt, and it wasn't a ankle sprain or you know hamstring injury or something like that. I had a stroke, and it was a big stroke, and the doctor said it was a massive stroke in the left side of my brain, and it was difficult for me to to recover physically, and I still haven't done the recovery process just yet. Um, it was the one time I couldn't talk. There was a point where I couldn't speak to anyone. Um, my wife came to see me, and she was down, down because she couldn't hear me talk. She couldn't. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. I just know that one morning in PT, I was running, I was training, and then all of a sudden I just felt confused, discombobulated. Everything was all jumbled. I can't speak, I can't think, nothing. But without going into the details, I basically was a vegetable for a while, and it was difficult for me. It was difficult for my family, my extended family, everyone to see that a man who has been the epitome of health, to see me drop to that level and not knowing what happened, how it happened, when it happened, where it happened, it's just it's just devastating. But I want to let you know that I am here, I am back, and I want to express to you guys that it's not it's not how you fall. It's not how you fall, it's how quickly you get back up. And I found myself looking in the mirror every day, trying to pick myself up from the floor, trying to tell myself that I can do this. I have to get the I have to get the motivation to go back again. I have to get the motivation to make videos again. I've sat here and watched Jamaica play. I've sat here and watched Manchester United play, and everything seems to be going downhill. Every game seems to be getting worse and worse. And while I'm watching it, I'm going through my struggles. I'm still struggling through the Jamaica qualification and Manchester United losing every game. And it's just a pain to see that, you know, I can't express myself the way I want to because obviously I'm going through that stroke, and it's it's good for me to speak to it now because not a lot of people can recover from a stroke. A lot of people die from strokes. And I'm here as a witness to say that yes, I survived it. I'm doing better. I'm going to be better. And it's just a matter of time before I'm 100%. I want to express to you guys that I am back. And it's only a matter of time before, you know, we get to where we want to be. Before I go, I want to express to you guys again that I appreciate the support. I appreciate everyone checking up on me and showing support. I will be back at the fourth official. I will be back talking about football, talking about Manchester United, talking about Reggae Boys and football. But for now, I want to let you guys know that I'm good. I am back. And I can't wait to see you guys again. Bless up. Manaz.